We all want to breathe healthier and more effortlessly. The easier it is to breathe, the better you'll feel, so it's so essential to take good care of your lungs' health. Our diet has a critical role in the health of our respiratory system. Just like every other organ and system of the body, our lungs require sufficient nourishment. In this video, we will show you which foods are beneficial for your respiratory system and cleanse mucus from your lungs. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell to help us grow. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Olive oil, lemon, and honey combination. Sipping on this glorious mixture with warm water is a classic home remedy widely utilized worldwide. It helps relieve sore throat symptoms that are caused by repeated coughing. Studies show that honey reduces cough symptoms because of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon is also an excellent source of vitamin C that helps strengthen the immune system. When combined with honey, it can deliver a detoxifying boost. Olive oil has antibacterial effects and decreases inflammation, which benefits the lungs and the whole body. All you have to do to enjoy the benefits them. 9. Frankincense. This plant's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties reduce the bronchi infection in the lungs and reduce the inflammation and clogging of the blood vessels, causing the lungs to return to health. It prevents internal bleeding in the lungs, relieves asthma, and controls asthma attacks. Consumption of frankincense promotes oral hygiene and strengthens the gums, making the mouth fragrant and helping breathing. By using the properties of frankincense for the lungs, you can improve the health of your lungs and support the health of your mouth and teeth. You can use frankincense instead of chewing gum. Frankincense is very effective in strengthening brain function. Therefore, you can use the properties of frankincense for memory and maintain it. With its help, you can prevent brain diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and short-term forgetfulness and increase your nerve health. The properties of frankincense for memory can be used for older people who are prone to diseases related to the nervous system. 8. Green juice. The next food that you can consider is green juice. It is a beverage made of a mixture of healthy green vegetables that are touted for providing some fantastic antioxidant benefits. It's often loaded with concentrated forms of healthy vegetables such as spinach, cucumber, wheatgrass, celery, chard, and mint. These types of green vegetables are packed with nutrients and components that may be helpful for your lungs specifically. They often contain chlorophyll, which helps improve blood circulation to the respiratory system. They are also high in antioxidants that support warding off all free radicals. Incorporating green juice into your diet is good for your lungs and your entire body. 7. Rosewater. The use of rose water can strengthen the respiratory system of people. Daily consumption of rose water can have a significant impact on lung health. It may be interesting to know that rosewater is also beneficial for facial blemishes, one of the most common skin issues that influence the beauty of the face. Rose water has a strong exfoliating property, and this is why the use of rose water reduces facial blemishes. In addition, rose water can help hydrate and treat itchy facial skin. 6. Kale. Kale has an extremely long list of advantages that contribute to your overall health. It has a high amount of fiber, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. Kale is also well known for delivering potent antioxidant impacts, which, as we mentioned, is especially helpful for promoting the health of the respiratory system. To be a bit more detailed, kale includes biochemical combinations that help to destroy or control the amount of detrimental free radicals in the body. This can help prevent many different conditions, including those that can influence the respiratory system. 5. Clove and lemon tea. Cloves contain eugenol, a painkiller that relieves discomfort. More importantly, the complex phytochemical structure of clove kills lung cancer cells and stops them from multiplying. On the other hand, lemon is rich in vitamin C, a potent antiviral. By combining the two, rich and protective tea is obtained, which reduces inflammation of the throat and lungs and strengthens your immune system. This tea is the best for relieving common cold symptoms. Clove is a plant that is added as a spice and seasoning to pickles and sweets or even soft drinks and tea. These excellent spice properties are their antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. This incredible plant has been used for a long time to treat various diseases. As it is used not only in traditional medicine but also in many medicines and health products of modern medicine, to make more use of this unique plant, you can use a popular spice that is used for many foods. 4. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, effective in fighting inflammation and strengthening the immune system using antioxidants. Hence, It is helpful for any kind of detoxification or cleansing of the body. This ginger is ideal for smokers and keeps them away from infectious and toxic masses accumulated in the lungs and washes them out of the body. 3. Ginseng. Ginseng is one of the medicinal plants whose fleshy and bright roots are among the most valuable parts of this medicinal plant. In addition, some people use this plant as a supplement, tea, or drink. The root of this plant has many healing properties. Because this plant contains compounds such as polystyrene, arginine, polyphenols, acidic polysaccharides, it can be useful for the treatment of many diseases. If your lungs have a bacterial infection or you have congestion, an itchy nose, and sneezing, ginseng helps relieve your lung inflammation and eliminates mucus from your lungs. Another health benefit of ginseng is lowering blood pressure, which is one of the most common problems with aging. This herb also helps lower your blood cholesterol levels significantly, and strengthens heart health because ginseng is rich in antioxidants. Therefore, with the help of the healing properties of ginseng, you can treat some chronic heart diseases and myocardial injuries. 2. Thyme. Put the dried thyme stems in a teapot. Bring fresh water to a boil, but do not use water that has already been boiled and cooled, and pour it on the leaves in the teapot. Wait for 7 minutes, and then pour into a cup and drink your beverage before cooling. This plant can be used for incense, which is very common and is especially recommended for those who suffer from recurrent and purulent sinusitis. In sinusitis, the drainage duct of the sinus secretion is narrow or closed, and the secretions accumulate inside the sinus and become purulent. Thyme is an opener, and its incense causes these ducts to open. In fact, the process of sinusitis disappears and is a fundamental and valuable treatment. Thyme is a dehydrator of excess moisture, which may accumulate in the airways and lead to irritation, cough, and sputum, which is one of the most common problems after a cold that lasts for a long time. 1. Turmeric and milk. The first case is the increase in mucus production, which causes the annoying microbes of the respiratory system to be expelled from the body, which is very important in the treatment of cough. Turmeric milk helps the liver function and removes wastes and toxins from the body, which has a practical effect on your skin. It reduces pimples on your skin and has long-term positive effects on preventing premature aging skin. The following property of this drink is that it can reduce headaches and help relieve diseases such as migraines and sinus headaches, which results in relaxation and comfortable sleep, especially for children. The lungs are among the most vital parts of the body that are responsible for purifying the air and providing oxygen to the body. Regularly, the lungs are affected by the harmful elements of pollution. A healthy diet is vital for the healing and cleansing of the lungs from these substances, and it helps to strengthen the lungs against infectious and viral diseases. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.